close to where we belong. And we're trying to go somewhere new. And I try to crack this iceberg open till it shatters through the ocean. I wanna make shockwaves. I wanna make shockwaves with you. Gonna move the ocean current till the waves flood what's been burning. I wanna make shockwaves. I wanna make shockwaves with you.
Alright, welcome back, you beautiful flamingos. Today doing a bit of a bike check on my new bike. So this will be a bit more of a specifics on the technologies and what I've got running. So as you can see here behind me, I've got the Scott Ransom 910 2022. So it's a carbon front end, alloy rear, size medium. So it's got a 439.9 reach. So it's not the longest of the enduro bikes that are around, but definitely feels quite nimble for a big bike. So pretty happy with that so far. Head angle on it, it's quite conservative, 64.5 degrees. So it's not as slack as some that are out in the market, but definitely good for around here. Yeah, so with a little bit of that out of the way, let's get into the specifics of what this bike is running. Alright, so let's start off with the drivetrain. So running GX Luna, it's a 52 tooth, so yeah, it's a 32 10 by 52. Yeah, definitely feel that really high low gear getting up hills helps a lot, especially for my shit climbing ass. Yeah, and then we'll move on to what stops you. And we got the Shimano XTs 4-piston. As you can see, 4 pistons, pretty good stopping power. Haven't really ran too much of Shimano myself, so yeah, they seem to be doing the job not too bad. Still need to bed the rear brake in a bit, but it'll bed in. Then yeah, we'll go on to the squishy bits. So we've got the Fox 38 Performance Elite running Fit 4 damper, which goes in line with the Scott twin lock, which I'll get onto that in a second. So yeah, it's pretty good. Definitely like the 38s. They're pretty spot on. Now we'll go into the rear, which is Scott and Fox basically, you know, do a collab for to produce their technology to do the old twin lock system, because it's got the dual valve piston. Yeah, so good thing about this one, the TR, is it's got this little switch here which can go from linear to progressive, so don't need to really put in any volume spaces or anything like that, so it's quite handy, pretty good. Obviously you got your high and low switch here, put it into your high if you want to drop it down to a mullet. Put 27.5 in the rear. Out of the box it comes 29. Kind of why I really wanted this bike, 29er. I've fallen in love with it. So we'll go on to the twin lock system here. You got it on the bar, sleever. First lock out brings it from 170 to 170, 170 to 120, 120, and then you got your full rigid, basically good for your pathways. For the seat post, we're running the Fox transfer, 150mm on the medium. Yeah, seems to work really well. Got the Syncross Kalios, I think it's the 1.5, so it's got the titanium rails. Yeah, pretty good so far. And got our shop's Lizard Skin custom grips on. These are Lizard Skins. I do rate them quite a lot. They're very good grip. And then yeah, got me custom stem cap.
How you doing?
Good, yourself?
Yeah, pretty good.
That's good.
Come on.
Yeah, our dog.
Come on.
Yeah, that basically gives us a pretty good rundown on the new Scott Ransom 910 for this year of 2022. Really enjoy this bike. I also love the stealth look of it. Looks pretty damn nice. Even the Syncross hubs, nice chrome look, front and rear. Love it. So yeah, I'm looking forward to riding this more now that the sun seems to be out, but doesn't look like it's going to be out for too much longer. So we'll see how that goes. See yous out there. Peace.